Hi, good evening. Today class is about day 6 in cross-region AMI copy in AWS. Okay, so in this discussion, let me explain about how to copy the AMI image from one region to another region. Previous class, what I have done, only make a AMI image from the instance and launch it in the same region. Now I'm going to copy the AMI image from one region to North Virginia region to another region, so Singapore region, so South Asia. Okay, so this is mainly for high availability of resources. Okay, that is the main usage. And the case of what will be happening when creating the AMI image, so it will be copy the volume of data. So actually, the AMI image, it's link for the snapshots. Okay, it is linked with the snapshots. Okay, it's linked with the volume. Okay, so it will have this snapshot will have the copy of entire data, additional informations. Everything will be in the snapshot data. The snapshot data will be linked with the AMI image. Okay, how the cross region copy will work. So we have to launch an instance in the source region and create a AMI image and then copy the image and in the target region we will launch the image. Okay, so these are the step-by-step procedures. Okay, first I said, first we need to launch the instance in the source region, for example in the North Virginia, then copy AMI image to the target region. Okay. Previously, what I was doing, I will create the image, AMI image. That is, when we create the AMI image, we will we will launch that instance in the local region. But as we are going to do cross-regional launching, so we are copying the AMI agent to the target region. Then here we are going to create the EMI image from the copied image. Then launch the instance in the target. Okay, these are the steps. And here the keeper we need to in the target region we need to separately create a new keeper. Okay, that is a very important point. For the case of real world use case, for example, a company deploys several web application in multiple region. They can create different. They can copy EMI images to the different regions and make available for different users so that they can avoid low lat. They can go for. They can achieve low latency. Okay. So in this topic, we have done what is AMI, how the snapshot data will be done, and how to do cross-region copy and keeper. Okay, target region again we need to create new keeper. Okay, these are the main important points. Now I'm going to do demo session. Let us see. Okay, already I have logged in. I'm going to launch a new instance now. Okay, launch instance. So when I was launch instance, I'll give um, uh, launch instance Linux web server 1. Okay, I'll select already a Linux image. Then already everything is selected. Then keeper, I'll give my keeper. Then here I'll assign availability zone 1A and security group. I'll launch security group and advanced details. I will add additional user data. Already we have done what is meant by user data. So in the case of user data, I will launch this instance as web server. So for that, I'll use this bash script to install the Apache web server, and start the web server, enable the web server, and clone the fruitable web page and put in this location. This is the default web page locations. Okay, the launch instance. Now I'm going to launch instance. Okay, after launching the instance, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the EMI image. Okay, um, now I'm going to mm, instances. So it's initializing. So this is the Linux web server one. Okay, so I need to image and templates, create image. So first I need to create this image and custom. I'll give the custom Apache image. Okay, so I'll create the image. Now the image is created under this EMI. So you can see this image is create. It is private. It is pending. Now I will copy images. Okay, let me wait for this status become available. And the instance also, it should be, it's still initializing. It should be status check should be 2 bar 2. So until then, we need to wait. Otherwise, some. So while these instances uh, initializing and make it is available. So we are taking this EMI image. We are creating image. So while creating image, you could see here we don't have any snapshots. And when it is available, we could see it is some snapshot data also will be created. Still, it's pending. Okay, it's little slow. To wait to check is over. Trick is over. Initializing. To wait to checks. Then EMI, it is still pending. Okay. Okay. Let me launch instance from EMI so that no need to launch because just a second. So it's so we could so we have public DNS. So with the help of public DNS, we could see the fruit table. Okay, so we have these fruitables from this North Virginia region. Okay, so instance is okay. We have created image that is also still pending. Now it's available. Now let us see the snapshots. See, once you created the image, snapshot data will be created. Now, after creating the image, let us go to AMI. Let us copy the AMI. Okay, we need to copy custom Apache image and where we are need to copy. So let's give custom Apache image South Asia. South Asia. Then we have to select Singapore, Asia Pacific, and yeah, copy EMI. Okay, now the EMI is copied into previously here we don't have any EMI image. Okay, but now we have um, this EMI image, but now what I'm going to do, I'm going to launch this instance. Okay, but it is still pending. We have to make available, otherwise we cannot access it. Okay, we have copied the same image to uh, Pacific launch instance from here. Now I'm going to give Linux web server to my AMIs owned by me. Yeah, see, this is the copied South Asia. Now, this is very important. The key pair which already we can for North Virginia region is should be used only for that region. So for this Singapore region, we have need to create a new pair. Okay, create a new pair. South Asia, Singapore. Singapore region. Okay, create a keeper. Okay, now it's available and create a security group. Okay, so while create a security group, um, and here we need to give edit so that need to give availability zone. Uh, okay, we have to create a security group. Create security group. Then we have to do SSH and we need to add additional group because we are going to access from a remote. So we need to add additional um, HTTP. I need to allow. I need to allow HTTP. Yeah. Then okay. Now launch instance. We need to give anywhere because it should be accessed from anywhere. Okay, now we have created the security groups and the key pair. Launch fail. What is that? Because of these AMI images not available yet, still pending. Oh, that's the reason. It will take some 3 minutes. Ah, super. Now it is available. I'll give Linux Web Server to my AMI is so owned by me is yeah from the South Asia. Here I need to create a new key pair. Um, Otherwise, okay. Already I have key pair, so I'll use Singapore region. Okay, security group. Create security group. Here I need to make on a. Um Let us create a new keeper so that Singapore region key create. Okay, then availability zone firewall. Create a group SSH and another one we need to allow is HTTP. It should be anywhere. Then launch instance. It should launch the instance correctly. Now let us go to launch instances. Still initializing at public DNS. We can copy. Not yet available. Initializing. Let us try. See, this is South Singapore region. So here it is North Virginia region. So what we have done, we have created a AMI image and copied into created AMI image on the North Virginia region and copy that AMI image to South Asia Singapore region and make available both the web servers. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for listening. See you.